Today we're going to be working on Chapter 9, Lesson 2, Mode and Median, on pages 218 and 219. So yesterday we learned about mean, right, which is one way to describe data. It's when we added up all the items in a set and then divided it by the total number. But there are more ways to describe a set of data, and we've got mode. And mode is a number or numbers, multiple numbers, that appear most often in a set of data. So it's the numbers that occur most frequently. So here, we want you to find the mode of the set of the data, and here is the set. And so the first thing that we're going to need to do is order the numbers from least to greatest. All right, so let's do that. I'm going to write 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6. All right. So now that we put them in order from the least to greatest, we've got to find the number that appears most often. And I see we've got 1, 2, 4s, we've got 1, 2, 5s, and we got 1, 2, 3, 3 6s. So the mode for this is what? 6, and 6 is our answer. So here we have another set of data, and what we need to do is find the mode. The mode, of course, is the numbers that we see most frequently. And I know that we need to order the numbers from least to greatest, and then find the numbers that appear the most often. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through this, and I see that we've got a -6, that of course is the smallest. -6, we've got a 5, 9, 9, and a 10. And so we can put little commas to distinguish each number. And so what are the numbers that appear most often? Well, I see a -6 and a -6, a single 5, and I see 2 9s. So what does that mean? That means that the mode, in this case, is -6 and 9. So 2 modes, this is our answer. So now we know what mode is. It's the number that we see most often. But when we order a set of data from least to greatest, smallest to biggest, the middle number is called the median. So you guys know what a street looks like, obviously, and you've got the sort of dividing line in the middle. Sometimes there's like a little island there, right? So if you're walking by and you want to dodge the cars that are coming real fast, maybe on Myrtle Avenue or whatever, you can hop on the median, which is the middle part of the street. We're going to be finding the median in a set of data. So now we need to find the median, right? The number in the middle, and what we're going to do is order the numbers from least to greatest, and we're going to find this middle number. So let's get cracking. I see that we have a 4, a 4, a 5, a 5, a 6, 6, and 6. So clearly here, 6 is the mode, right? But that's not what we're looking for. We are looking for the median. The median is the number in the middle. So sometimes I like to cross one off at the beginning and then one at the end, beginning, and beginning, end. And so we're sort of working our way to the right and to the left until we get to the central number, this middle number right here. The median is number 5. 5 is our answer. So we know how to find mode, we know how to find median. What about when the number of items in a set of data is even, right? 2, 4, 6, 8. The median is the average of the two middle numbers. So here we've got a set, and we're going to find the median. We need to order these numbers from least to greatest, from smallest to biggest. Let's do that. So I can see we have the first number is -6, -6, 5, 9, 9, and 10. I'm going to put commas to distinguish each number in this set. And we've got how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got an even number. There are 6 items in this. Find the average of the two middle numbers. So what are the two middle numbers? So what we can do is we can cross off one at the beginning and the end, and then sort of work our way to the middle. And now I see we've got these two numbers. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the average of these two numbers. And how do we do that? We're going to do sort of what we did yesterday. We're going to add 5 plus 9, and that's going to give us what? 14. And now what we're going to need to do is divide this by 2, because there's 2 items in this individual set right here, and 14 divided by 2 is 7. So the median of this set is 7. 7 is the answer. 5 plus 9 divided by 2 is going to give us that. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be practicing mode and median on page 219. Good luck.